right here by Dex Fences R Us. Look at that. Come on in.
Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Yeah, come on.
In.
All right.
Let me show you around. Nice cedar, 2x6 on top.
Mm-hmm. Nice. Keep the dogs and cats in.
Yes, sir.
All right. Well, would you recommend Come Fix It Now to your friends and neighbors?
I think I would.
All right.
Wholeheartedly.
All right. Thank you, Kip.
Thank you, sir.
Appreciate the business.
Yeah.